Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the perfect birthday gift for an 8-year-old boy, the Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball. If you're looking for something fun, exciting, and unique, this is the toy that will keep them entertained for hours. The Hover Soccer Ball brings the thrill of soccer indoors, and it's not just any ball. It uses revolutionary hover technology that makes it float and glide effortlessly across smooth surfaces like wood, tile, or even concrete. Whether you have a small living room or a spacious area, this ball is designed to provide endless soccer fun, making it ideal for kids aged 6 to 12. The ball features a cool light-up effect that adds an exciting twist to any game. Imagine playing soccer in the dark, with the electric lights creating an eye-catching visual effect as the ball floats across the floor. It's a fantastic way to make playtime even more fun, especially in low-light environments. The hover technology means the ball doesn't just roll, it hovers and glides, making it feel like a futuristic soccer experience. One of the best parts of this hover soccer ball is its design. It's made with a soft foam bumper that ensures your furniture and walls are protected from any accidental bumps, so parents can relax while the kids play. Plus, the ball is rechargeable, meaning no more running to the store for batteries. Just plug it in, recharge, and it's ready for another round of action. The Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball is not just a toy, it's an experience. It's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or just a fun surprise. It's a great way to get kids moving and active while enjoying a sport they love. So, if you're searching for a birthday gift that's sure to put a smile on an 8-year-old's face, look no further. The Ninja Blast Hover Soccer Ball is the answer. Stay tuned for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique.